Hi everybody, Devin here from Let's Head Out. Last weekend we went to Eastridge, Tennessee, and we stayed at the Fairfield Inn by Mariott there and did a quick room tour. I didn't film a whole lot of the hotel like around and things like that. Um, but I did want to just get a video of the room. So yeah, let's head out. Alright, so we're going to do just a quick little walk around, just a short walk around room tour of our room and stuff here at the Fairfield by Mariott in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Alright, so I just wanted to give a room tour of our room. So we got TV, we've got a little single cup coffee pot. Down here we have a little mini fridge and a microwave. Nothing down there. So we got a little chair here in the corner. 2 queen size beds was this room. It's just me and Amelia and Hannah this trip. And we've got telephone, some phone chargers. We've got a closet here with ironing board, a little rack to hold your luggage. They actually have some clothes hangers. I guess I could have brought my Roosevelts.
I guess so.
So yeah, we got the bathroom. We got a sink, little bar soap, toilet, towels. I got some shampoo and stuff, Alice and Company, botanicals stuff over here. Got some racks. So yeah, just a cool little hotel. It seems to be pretty clean. This is where we'll be for the next couple of days. All right, so I just wanted to kind of show you the lobby area. There's like there's a elevator right there where those people are walking. They have free continental breakfast, and this is the seating area and the dining area. So yeah, just a little quick walk around review of the hotel here in Chattanooga. All right, so that wraps the video up. Thank you for watching. If you're watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. With that and watching our other videos are the best 2 ways for me to ask you to help support our channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to my family and I, and to the future of our channel. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Please ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. So I guess that wraps this video up. So until next time, let's head out together. See ya!